RHS Pre-Calculus presents
It's Complicated, your guide to a healthy relationship.
Goal: to understand the imaginary unit I and to add and subtract, multiply and divide complex numbers.
Emmanuel went from being in a relationship to it's complicated.
That's horrible.
I know, I'm so alone.
Why don't you date this other I know?
Do you think she's the one for me?
If you guys multiply, I know you'll become one.
Negative.
Adding complex numbers. When adding complex numbers, you must understand that standard form is a plus bi plus c plus di equals a plus c plus b plus di. All you have to do is combine the like terms a and c and then b and di together. You always keep the i's together. For example, in this problem, you would take out the parentheses, then combine like terms until you get an answer in standard form, 5 plus 2i.
Subtracting complex numbers. To subtract two complex numbers, you subtract the real number and imaginary parts of the number separately. A plus bi and c plus di are in standard form, so the following equation is used to carry out the operation. First, remove the parentheses and set up the equation. Then, combining like terms, you eventually write it out in standard form, and in this example, the answer comes out to 0.
Multiplying complex numbers. Basically, you have your general formula a plus bi multiplied by c plus di. So using your first term, you basically just distribute your both a and b terms with the I. So right here, when multiplied, you get the final answers negative 2 plus 24i.
Dividing complicated numbers. Define the quotient of two complex numbers, multiply by the conjugate. An example equation is finding the quotient of 2 plus 3i over 4 minus 2i. Multiply by the conjugate 4 plus 2i over 4 plus 2i. You come up with 2 plus 3i over 4 minus 2i times, in parentheses, 4 plus 2i over 4 plus 2i. Following top and bottom and combining like terms gives you 2 plus 16i over 20. The simplified and final answer is 1 over 10 plus 4 over 5i.
Emmanuel is in a relationship.
Woo! Yay.